In front of me is TCL 60 SE NXTpaper, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to hit Sound and Vibration. Then hit Vibration at the top to mute your device completely, leaving only vibration. When you finished, scroll down to click on Vibration and Haptics and use this switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics to turn them on or off. If you decided to enable them, just click on all of those switches next to all of those features to disable or enable vibrations for them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!